Double negatives, an English grammar lesson where only one negative form is used in each subject predicate clause. Now, what does that mean? Let me share with you some examples so I can help explain it. We can have this sentence which is all in the affirmative. I will teach a lesson. It is all in the affirmative. But yet now when we look at here, we're seeing a negative here within the verb part of the sentence. So I won't teach a lesson. In English, we only use one negative within a subject predicate clause. Only one. And it's because we're telling the exact information we want to give. Now, we might make it negative in the subject. No one will teach a lesson. So therefore, it could be in the verb part, it could be in the subject part, or it could be at the end of the sentence, and we'll have some explanations for that too. Here are some more examples. I can go with you. This is an affirmative sentence, and here we go with a negative in the verb. I can't go with you. These are natural ways to say things because one negative within this part of the clause of the sentence is wonderful, and that's how we talk and that's how we write. Someone can't go with you. There's only one negative right there. No one can go with you. The negative's right here in the subject. These are natural ways in which we talk in standard English and do our writing. Now, there's times where it'll be explained that yes, double negatives are used, but usually not in standard English. Here are some examples. We are going nowhere. There is the negative, and it's an acceptable sentence. We aren't going nowhere. Well, there's a negative there, and there's a negative there. And for standard English speakers, it doesn't sound right and it doesn't feel right because we aren't going nowhere. That means we are going somewhere. It's making your listener feel confused. We are doing nothing. We are doing nothing. That's an acceptable sentence for standard English. We aren't doing nothing. We aren't doing nothing. Well, again, this is another kind of sentence that will confuse the listener. I have students that are saying, we aren't doing nothing. Well, it means they're doing something, and it's not the assignment I gave. So therefore, these are examples of using the negative where there was only one negative form that is used in each subject predicate clause.